Have you ever wondered what happens if your Scion is in need of maintenance or repair? Well, we have. By sharing the Scion service and repairs manual with the public, we will offer you the possibility to repair your car by yourself. We call this system Rezono. But how does Rezono work? In 2019, you will be able to order almost all spare parts of the Scion from our website with one simple mouse click. And that's not all. You will find videos and instruction manuals on how to fix and service your Scion, step by step. In case of a more complex problem, you can contact your favorite auto shop as usual. Since the Scion's workshop manual will be available online for free, every mechanic in the world should be able to repair the Scion. Rezono is supposed to ensure a long service life while reducing unnecessary costs and having a positive impact on your carbon footprint. Be sustainable, be electric. Scion, driven by the sun.